Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get more order tickets for the ordering machine in Heartopia. So if you open like daily requests and weekly requests as well, you can get the surprise gacha. It says, though it looks like an egg, it's definitely not edible. Actually, it's a chest that may contain order tickets. So I usually save them up before opening because I don't know, somehow like it makes me have like more chances of getting the order tickets. I got one yesterday, but it wasn't on film. So let's see our luck today. I'm just going to finish all of my daily requests and I'll be right back to open the egg. All right, so I just finished like the daily requests and everything. So let's open the surprise gacha and see if I got any order tickets. Open all. Oh my gosh, even that much? Sorry, but basically you get like a 3% chance of getting it. So, yeah, unfortunately, it's very hard to get. But I think that's the only way to get order tickets, other than the first time you talk to Kaching. So let me know if you have any other tips on how to get order tickets because I've only gotten one so far from the gacha. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.